This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Imagine waking up in Madeira, Portugal, a magical island floating in the Atlantic. Take in sweeping drone shots of lush green mountains cascading into sapphire blue waters. Start your day strolling through Funchal's colorful streets, a blend of historic charm and vibrant modern culture. Dive into the island's culinary paradise with their iconic bolo do caco bread topped with garlic butter. Simple, yet unforgettable. Ready for adventure? Take a cable car ride up to Monte, then zoom down in a wicker toboggan for a thrill you'll never forget. And don't miss Porto Moniz's natural lava pools, perfect for a serene swim. As the sun sets, sip on a glass of local Madeira wine while enjoying views that look like pure fantasy. Pack your bags because your next great escape is waiting in Madeira. Subscribe to explore more hidden gems around the world.